Once you have threaded a punched needle, please set it to position C to get started. Start from the outline of the pattern. As you punch, make sure to keep the bevel side pointing in the same direction as you are going. Push your punch needle all the way down until the handle touches the fabric. Hold the needle firmly in place and flip your hoop over. Pull on the yarn to let the tail come out from the needle. Adjust the yarn to leave a short tail. Return to the front side and slowly pull your needle up through the fabric. Do not let the needle too high or the loops will come out and you will get uneven loops. Just slide the needle along the surface of the fabric instead of lifting it. Follow the outline to punch the next stitches. You are advised to have each stitch around 3 holes apart on the cloth. This guarantees uniform space between each stitch. If you make a mistake, simply unravel the stitches, pull the yarn back and redo the stitches from the point of the mistake. If you need to change direction, rotate your hoop holding the needle in the same direction. If you create unsatisfactory stitches and need to redo them, you can use the tip of your needle or finger to rub the fabric to fix the holes. Continue punching until you return to the first stitch. To start the second row, avoid making parallel stitches. Instead, punch in a staggered pattern similar to laying bricks on a wall. This technique ensures your stitches cover the design area completely. Punch the needle close to the first row to ensure the stitches are tightly joined, without any gaps or overlaps. Whenever you make any mistake, fixing them is quite easy. As you add more rows, continue working in a spiral pattern towards the center. Repeat this process until the section is completely filled. To finish a section, let your needle punch through the cloth and flip the frame. Then cut the yarn and remove the needle from the cloth gently. Trim the yarn tail to be the same length as the other loops. Check for loops that are twisted, flattened, and use your needle or finger to fix them. That's it, you are done. Continue in the same way. There is no right or wrong side. You can pick whichever side you like or even try a combination of different textures.